Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix messages app not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply restart your device for one time. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. For that you have to just simply tap on settings, tap on journal, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open message app and then close app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that your network is working properly. Now after that guys, you have to just simply tap on notification and find out the messages app and make sure that all notification is allowed. After trying all of this step and you are still facing the issue, then open setting again, tap on journal, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. After again you are facing the problem, then again reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you are still facing the issue, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team. So guys, go to Apple support and describe your problem to the Apple support team and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.